Alright, Jeff, here's my 5100. Just got it a second ago. There it goes. Just change your tension on it and change how much pressure you're putting on it. You want to put it in so there's just so it's partially out of the case a little bit there, just the first four, and just kind of put a little bit on there, just like that. Just keep working at it, a little practice and you'll get it. So there's 150-100. Here's my 1100. Come on. Kind of hurts your fingers after a little bit there. Turn this around. Oh, come on. There it goes. Okay, let's see. Here's another 5100. Let's see. Hopefully this isn't the one that I couldn't get to bump. It might be. I might have to get something to. Yeah. It's a different one. I said some of these takes a little work to get, but others will go right away. Reset that. Damn. Shit. Need something different to hit this with. I don't know what I have to hit it with. See, some of these are difficult. I don't know why. But I said some of these are easy and some aren't. But you'll get it. There it goes. Pain in the ass one there. But probably put some dents in my pocket now. Have it in my case here. It still looks alright. But like I said, a little practice, change the way you're holding it, the way you're hitting it. Some you'll have that were difficult, like that 5100, and others just a little tap. It's all depends on how they're pinned, how high you gotta make the pins go there. This one's cake for some reason, but just keep after it and you'll get it.